Yeah, I'm looking at Tesla right here. This is Brian Lewis with MMT Investing, and things just changed. So Tesla just kind of raged up onto this. It's sort of like a little island top situation, and I don't know. I think as we kind of consolidate down on the S&P, I mean, I think Tesla needs to come all the way down off this island top and then start kind of doing the same stuff that S&P is going to be doing. And I have the bottom of the S&P as a target for this middle bounce, and I want to see if we like bounce off of it or if we break it and back test it. And I mean, Tesla from up here has a ridiculous amount of downside, and they have a terrible balance sheet, and their business model is just awful right now for the situation that we're in, and people are just up in here. This is ridiculous. I mean, the valuation of this company is absolutely insane. Look at the numbers. It's like 350 to almost like 800. The amount of room there is to come down here is just crazy. It's just absolutely crazy. So, I mean, I think this is an incredibly good short-term, short option to get down off this island. And then Tesla has been kind of resistant at the bottoms, where the other stocks have dove at the bottom reversal point. So the point wouldn't be probably sharp with Tesla. It'd probably be like this grinding bottom that's not so interesting. But the short on the whole way down here looks pretty good. And the reversal off this island top looks just really big short opportunity right now with Tesla. Um, and I got some Tesla shorts like over here before we got up on the island, so I'm not in a good spot right now. And there's a few other companies that are like this too. Like Visa and MasterCard inside the XLK are up here kind of on an island that look like a really good short. It's not quite this dramatic. Um, and then, well, Uber is not, well, nah, it's just kind of sideways. Yeah, Tesla is just this island right now that's unreasonable, and it just needs to get down off the island now and then kind of do normal stuff after that. So that's a look at Tesla and the general, like the 3 month cycle. So we're looking for an intermediate bottom, and the shapes that we've been getting in the cycle makes it look like it's going to be closer to a 4 month credit cycle. So kind of out of here, we go into, some low point at the end of the credit contraction cycle. And Tesla, I don't know if they're in line for bailouts. Like, I don't know. Like they already started bailing Ford out. Like Ford was going out of business on this first one. So, I mean, the Fed gave them a crazy loan and they're just kind of trying to pay a debt. So maybe they'll keep Tesla alive through the end of this crash. I mean, Elon does make like spaceships for the government. He's building infrastructure. He's building, solar energy. He's doing all kinds of infrastructure, energy, and government stuff. I mean, I think they probably take a look at him to keep his company afloat. Um, so I don't know if Tesla's a good idea for a short for like a company that's going to go out of business. I think they're kind of on the short list to get bailed out, but I think they are a good company to short right now just because the valuation is nonsense. So that's a look at Tesla and maybe some like Visa or something like that. That's kind of just up a little too high. Looks like a good spot while we're coming down in the middle of the cycle for the second bounce. All right. So this is not investment advice. Please hit the like button to help me out with the YouTube algorithm and happy trading.